Assembly improvement. In 03D 2022, the major improvements in assembly are as follows. First, there are two new mechanical constraints, slot constraint and cam constraint. Next, when adding and redefining constraints, users can select the display mode of irrelevant components. Last, 03D 2022 supports multiple column attributes and assembly folders. Now, let's see the details one by one. Slot constraint. Let's see how this assembly can move now. The rod can be moved back and forth, and the handle can be turned around. Add the slot constraint. Pick the cylindrical surface and the slot surface. Click OK. Now, rotate the handle. The entire assembly is integrated together. Cam constraint. Similarly, let's see how the components move now. Add the cam constraint. Pick the cylindrical surface and cam surface. Now, the cam constraint comes into effect. Next is the new option, Non-Associated Component. Redefine a constraint. Tick Non-Associated Component options. The irrelevant components will be displayed in other ways, such as hidden. New Multiple Tree Manager. Right-click History Managers and open Attributes Manager. Users can select which attributes of components display in the Assembly Manager. Users can view and modify these attributes more intuitively, such as color, display mode, etc. Finally, there is the assembly folders, including component folders and constraint folders, which can help users better manage the assembly structure tree. With all these assembly improvements, users can do the assembly design more conveniently and efficiently.